When you are broken, it feels like the world is moving while you are quietly falling apart. Welcome, this is your Inner Lights Guide, and in this video I'm going to help you with how you can heal yourself when you feel broken. I know it is hard to eat something now. It is hard to breathe. It is hurting. When you smile, it's hurting. You are hurted. You may not have any kind of hope right now. It is so hard to breathe in this present moment right now. But I really want to start by telling you something that you may not even believe right now. You are not broken. You are wounded right now. And that wound that you are having right now, yes, it can be healed. There is no shame in hurting, and sometimes we have to be hurted because this is the part of our new growth, new us. We grow up believing that we have to be strong all the time, that if we fall apart, we are weak or failing. But the real strength is allowing yourself to feel, to admit, I'm okay right now, and it is okay to feel the way that I'm feeling right now. Healing is not a straight line. Some days it can feel like while the wound is gone, I'm feeling better right now, and the next day, bam, the wound is right there. You are feeling it all over again. You are feeling it even more worse than before. Healing is not a straight line. Some days you may feel like the wound is gone, you are feeling better, and the very next day, wound shows up and you are feeling even more worse. You thought it was gone, but now you are feeling it even much more worse, which is so painful. That doesn't mean you are going backward. It means you are human. Healing is remembering how to love yourself again. Piece by piece is choosing to show up for yourself even when you don't have all of the answers that you are seeking right now. Maybe that is why you are here right now with me. So now in this video, I'm gonna let you know what can help you to heal this wound that you are going through right now. The first one is stillness. Instead of rushing things, I really want you to sit with it. Instead of fixing it too fast, I really want you to spend time with your wound in the stillness, which are about to help you for a new growth, new life, a new you, better you. And the second is gentle routines like drinking water, journaling what is hurting you, going out in nature for a long walk. The third is connection. Either you meet a friend, a good friend of yours that is here to listen to you, or booking a time with a therapist, or your spirit guides, someone that can channel down messages from higher realms or lower realms and give you the answer that you are seeking right now, that can lighten up your heart. So allowing someone to know your pain, basically, know what you are going through right now, letting someone in with a connection could help you right now. And the fourth is actually permission. You need permission. You need to give yourself the permission to cry, to rest, to not to do anything. It is okay to feel the way you are feeling right now. Because in the darkness, you don't need to fix anything. In the darkness, you don't need to fix anything. Nothing needs to be fixed. You are just it. And now if you're on a spiritual journey, spiritual path, now you may be wondering why you have to go through this, go through something like this right now, why it is you. Sometimes the breaking is not the end of your story, it is the doorway. The pain cracked you open so that the more light could come in, so you could remember who you truly are. Not your trauma, not your mistakes, but a soul, sacred, whole, and wise. And even now, the part of you still shines underneath the pain because you are the greatest light even in your darkness. You are about to evolve. You are about to shine even more brighter. That is why you have to go through this right now for your own soul evolution, for your own better growth. Right now, you may not feel that you are strong enough. Right now, you are not feeling the light that you are within in yourself. You made it this far. You are still here and you are still breathing. I really want you to know how strong you are. You are the shiny, sparkling, divine light. Even if you don't see it, this is what you need to know to remember of who you are. And nature can help you with it. The more you spend time with nature, doing the things that you love, like coloring, writing something down, or sitting in the silence. Going for a better health can help you. Drinking enough water can help you. Doing something, trying something new, maybe exercising, doing some yoga, trying something new that you didn't try yet along this journey. And you are not alone in this. You are not beyond healing. This pain will not last forever. And even if you can't see the light yet, you are learning to becoming the light. So take a deep breath here with me. Place your two hands over your heart. Place your two hands over your heart right now and tell yourself that I am stronger than ever. I love myself. I am feeling the wound. I accept the wound. I am friend with the wound. I am allowing the wound to reveal its secrets, all of the wisdom that I am here to collect from this pain right now. And repeat this with me. I am healing even when I cannot see it yet. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of life. You are not broken. You are becoming your greatest version. This is your inner light guide. Thank you all for listening and stay blessed. If you like this video, make sure to comment, subscribe, share, like, and smile. Smile for no reason and give love. Give love and dance with the birds in nature. Stay blessed.